Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, October the 1st, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the 2 stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. Yes. Let me continue with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see if this is really a 4 stars, but this puzzle will be number 5262. 5262. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 40 minutes, 30 minutes or more. Well. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? I don't know. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 2 3s. 4 4s. All right, 4 4s. 1 2 2 5s. 2 6s. 2 7s. 4 8s. All right, and 2 9s. So the 4s and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with 8? 8 in this first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in those 3 boxes. And 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this second row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. And 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the row below, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 8. How about the 4 then? 4 4, 4 4, no. 4 4 4. Difficult. Cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. Then. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6 in this big square. We have a 6 in the second column. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 6, okay. 6 6 6 6. Then. Let me see. How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 8 5 5 5 5 5 5. I'm thinking 3 3. Well, these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 3 7 9. And look, in the last row, one of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, so no 3 in that box. So one box left for the 3 in this row, the last row, should be there. Okay. 3, 3, okay. And then 3, 3, 3, 3, okay. Oh, no, we already have a 3 there. 3, 3, 3. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. How about 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4. Yeah. Where's the opening? Looking for the opening. 5, 5. 4, 4. 6, 6. Here should be the 6. Okay. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6. Oh, 6, 6. Leave. 2, 2. Yeah. 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. 4 overlooked. 4 in the first column. 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the second column. These 3 boxes are 3, 7, 9. For those numbers are reserved for the 3, 7, and a 9. Okay, so 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 it goes there. 1, 1. Yeah, we have a pair. The 1 and the 6 in this column. The 1 and the 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. 9, 9, 9, 9. And let me see. 7. 7, yeah. I believe we have a pair. Yeah. We have here 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Same for the 7. We are missing the 7 in the last row. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6, 7, and the 9. And look, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So one digit left should be the 6. The 6, 6, 6. Okay. 3. Do we have all the 3s? No. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay. All right. 1, 1. 4, 4. Still thinking. 5, 5, 5, 5. 7 should be here. Yeah. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. And we have a pair, I believe. Well, let me start with the 4, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4, could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5 in this big square. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in this column, middle column, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5. Together with the 4, we have a pair, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Now, we have 1 box left in this column for number, I believe the 1. The 1 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 now in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. I can continue with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Wow, the sun is shining now. Wow. Let me put this up. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and then 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3, 7 and 9. 3, 7 and 9. Let me see. How about the 4? Well, still cannot continue with the 4. How about the 5? Then 5, 5. 5, 5. 5, 3, and a 7. 3, 7, and the 2. We have a 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. Alright. 9. You have all the 2s. Let me count, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. 2 numbers left in this row, the 4 and the 5. I marked this box with 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left. And I've eliminated the 5 there. So the 5 goes here. Here's still 7 and a 9. Okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column to the column between. Only place left for the 4. I should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 5, number 6. Okay. Then. Well, 1 box left in the last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 9, we have a 7 now in the second row, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then. How about those 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this row, middle row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3, 7, 9. Well, in the middle row, we have a 7 and a 9 here, so this box should be a 3. And the other 2 boxes reserved for the 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Find the 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. 1 minute slower than the previous Sudoku, but we solve it again. Is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes. And for really 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.